Hi, we have Evil Genius Mum and Evil Genius Nefarious checking out the new chemistry and action kit we received from Curious Kids Science. At the moment, I am working on the grown-ups guide because, somehow I'm the grown-up, while Nefarious has been setting up his experiment. Upside down, dude. Oh. Let's go. So they all come with little kits here with little explanations and cards and overviews, and we have the experiment ready to go. So let's do this. All right, in the background we also have Zaltu doing a artistic expression of what she sees with the experiments. Thank you very much, Zaltu. All right, so Nefarious, what do we do first?
First we place the tray, on a flat surface, and this is the tray, and this is the tray. Put 3 milliliters of vinegar in one section of the tray, which is going to be this section over here. Place half a scoop of bicarbonate.
Oh, hang on, let's do the vinegar part first.
Okay. So we scored open, right? It's gonna get a little hard.
Never be afraid to ask for help if you need it.
Oh, help, please.
All right. So here we go.
So
I don't think that's going to fit in there, so let's do it this way. Ready? 1, 2, 3. There we go.
I'm just going to check if that's 3 milliliters.
I reckon we'll be okay with it.
Okay.
All right, so next step?
Place half a scoop of bicarbonate of soda into another section of the tray, which is about...
Yeah, that looks good.
Yeah, that looks good. So that's where the vinegar is, and we're going to put carbonate.
Good idea.
Over here.
Okay.
And now we add 3 milliliters of tap water to the bicarbonate soda and stir.
Now, while Nefarious is doing that, there are some fantastic tips as to how to explain and expand the science of this experiment. So, for example, discussing about liquids being a type of matter. Although they share some similar characteristics, their chemical makeup can vary greatly. Offer the child a chance to taste some different liquids, not these ones here, but things like water, milk, and juice. Let's see, what else does it say here? Questions that we can ask. Oh, hang on, we'll just focus on this one first. How are you going there, Nefarious?
Good, got 3 milliliters.
3 mils.
And then just gently squirt it in. Ooh, doesn't that look blood red? Does that look blood
Okay.
red or nothing?
That does look very red. All right, so then you have to mix that in a little bit. So it says add 3 mils of tap water and stir.
So just as I'm stirring.
I'm looking at all of that at the moment. We can add some more vinegar in this one too.
Me too. I think that too.
There we go.
What is a vinegar?
Okay, so is that all mixed in? All right, so what's the next step say?
The next step is...
So we're up to number 5.
Which is... place a pH test paper in each liquid. This is our pH test paper. We're just going to take 1 strip. Gently. And then we're going to just put it there.
There we go. Ooh, check it out. Okay.
Very
so
dark green.
Okay, I might just move that out. Put that there. All right. And the next one?
Now this one will go in the vinegar. Ooh, that's very ready.
Yep, and that one's going to soak that all up as well, so we'll just move that over. Actually, I'll put that one there and that one there. All right,
Good
so
idea.
why do you think the pH test papers change colour when they touch some of the liquids?
Probably because the pH test paper is like sensitive to the whichever one's an acid or base.
Okay, so let's have a look.
And to check if it's an acid or base,
That's it.
we're going to check the colour here. So
Okay, so
this came from the vinegar. Would you say it's like either one of a 3?
Well, let's bring it up to the camera and show. Okay, so that one. Oh, I think you're right. I think a 3 is a really good estimate with that one. Maybe even a 2. Okay, what's the next one to compare?
And now let's compare the one from the...
Ooh. So what do you think?
I'd agree with either I think it's a 14.
Ooh, okay. So, showing you guys here. Okay, so let's have a look at what that actually means. Does it say that? No. Okay, so what numbers are they? What do we say? 3 and 14.
Yep, this one's 3, this one's 14.
Okay. So it says here, the pH of any substance can be measured as a number between 1 and 14. pH is the term used in science to refer to whether something is an acid or a base. The pH test paper is covered with a dye. So see the stuff that's on the outside there? The dye reacts differently when it comes into contact with an acid or a base. This is a chemical reaction. The paper allows you to determine the approximate pH of the liquid.
Mum?
It changes colour.
Mum?
Just wait, Zalty. Okay, and that one has changed colour as well. Okay, let's see, what else does it say here? The acids and bases can neutralise and cancel each other out. Okay, so what happens then? So this is the one with the vinegar. What happens if you put that one in the sodium bicarbonate mixture?
I wonder what happens. Let's find